Black Pepper King Oyster Mushrooms.
Hi guys, today we're gonna cook the mini king oyster mushroom with the black pepper sauce. This one is gonna be my recipe. I'm not sure maybe they have it, but I found this recipe by accident, so and I like it. So let's try. So we're gonna send it's gonna big one. I'm gonna cut a half, just like this. First, we're gonna prepare the sauce just to save some time, and then you can taste it if it's like salty or light. So first of all, we're gonna go with the sugar. Sugar, I would say I will go with half teaspoon. Oh, sorry, 1 teaspoon. And black pepper, also 1 teaspoon. It's gonna be one. Sesame oil, I will go with 1 tablespoon. And the last one is gonna be oyster sauce. We also go with 1 tablespoon, just a little bit more. Then mix it out. The sauce is perfect for me, so you will see the sauce is thick like this. You will love this sauce combined with this one. It's gonna be so good. So yeah, let's get started.
Black Pepper King Oyster Mushrooms.